The custom of moon worship during the Mid-Autumn Festival originates from the legend 嫦娥奔月, Cháng'é flying to the moon. During the Mid-Autumn Festival, all family members meet to pray to the moon for good fortune and a peaceful life, putting moon cakes on the tables and admiring the full moon. 月亮, 月 fourth tone, 亮 牛舌 tone, 月亮 means moon. 赏月 shǎng, third tone, means to appreciate or to admire. 月 fourth tone, short for 月亮. 赏月 means to admire the moon. Contrary to the traditional view, many people nowadays believe that 15的月亮16圆. This means that the moon on August 15th may not be the roundest, and the moon on August 16th is the roundest. Interesting, huh? 中秋节的月亮真圆啊 The moon is round in the Mid-Autumn Festival. 但是15的月亮16圆，对吗 But the moon is the roundest on August 16th, right?